Uh, okay, John. So we will start with the linear inequation. So what is an inequality? First, we will discuss this. What is an inequation? Okay. So what is an equation? The statement having the variable and the sign of inequality is called a inequation. Okay. So for example, 2x plus 3 greater than equal to 0. So this is an example of inequation. So what is an inequation? It is a statement having a variable and the sign of inequality. These are some sign of inequality. This is a greater than, this is less than, this is greater than equal to, and this is less than equal to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So please note down this definition and then we will start next topic.
Yeah. Understand.
John, you have noted this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any doubt in equations? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after this, we have next we have linear inequations. Linear inequations in one variable. In one variable. Okay. Linear inequations in one variable. For example, 2x plus 6 is greater than equal to 0. So in this one, we have 3 points. Linear, so we have a variable which have a power 1. So linear represent the variable having the power 1. Next, one variable. So this in this inequation, we have a single variable. And inequation, so we have a sign of inequality. So this is an example of linear inequation in one variable. In linear inequation in one variable, we have a inequation which have a variable having power 1. And we have a single variable. For example, 4x plus 3 greater than 0. Okay. So in linear inequation, in one variable, we have a single variable. The power of the variable is 1. And we have a sign of inequality. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Joan, our next topic is linear inequation. Linear inequation in two variable. Okay. Linear inequation in two variable. So, for example, 2x plus 3y greater than equal to 4. So, in this one, we have two variables. Power of the variable is 1, and there is a sign of inequality. So linear inequation in two variable, we have two variables. The power of the variable is 1, and we have a sign of inequality. Okay, Joan, this clear? Okay. So John, you can note these two examples for this. Okay. And please let me know once you completed this, then we will start the next topic.
Just be heading in the examples, right?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just be heading in the example.
Yeah.
Done.
Done. Very good. So, John, next we will try some questions. We will try to solve the linear inequations, and we have certain rules in solving the linear inequation. So, our first rule is, just give me a minute. Rule one. Suppose we have this inequation x plus 6 greater than 4. So as per the first rule, if you add any number to this inequation, for example, we are adding 2 in this inequation. Okay, if you are adding any number in this inequation, then the sign of inequality will not change. This clear? The sign of inequality will not change if you are adding any number in the inequation. So for example, in this inequation, we are adding 2. So this sign of inequality will not change. This clear? Okay. And next is if we are subtracting, for example, we have another inequation x plus 4 greater than 2. And if you're subtracting any number in this, for example, we are subtracting 2 from both sides, then also the sign of inequality will not change.
Yeah.
So what is the rule? If we are adding any number or we are subtracting any number in the inequation, the sign of inequality will not change. The sign of inequality will remain the same. Okay,
Yes.
this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now next is if. Now our next rule is suppose we have this 2x is greater than 4, and in this inequation we are dividing this with, for example, 2. We are dividing this inequation by a positive number. Okay, we are dividing this with a by positive number. So for example, we are dividing with 2. So this will give us x and this will give us 2. So the sign of inequality will not change if we are dividing the inequation by a positive number.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now similarly, suppose we have another inequation 3x is less than 4. So if we are multiplying this with a positive number, the sign of inequality will not change. So for example, if we multiply both sides with 2, then the sign of inequality will remain the same. It will not change.
So in addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication, there is no change.
Yeah, in addition and subtraction, there is no change. In division and multiplication, if we are dividing with a positive number,
There
we
is.
are dividing and multiplying with a positive number, then the sign will not change. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Now next is suppose we have this inequation 2x greater than 4, but minus 2x greater than 4. If we are dividing an inequation with a negative number, if we are dividing this with a negative number, then the sign will change. Okay,
Yeah.
so in an equation, if we are dividing it with a negative number, then sign will change. So this will give us x and less than minus 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, similarly, if we have this, for example, minus 3x is less than 10, and we are multiplying this with a -2. If we will multiply this with a -2, then also the sign will change. So
Yes.
in this one, sign of inequality will change. Okay, so if we are dividing and multiplying with a negative,
Last one again, minus
yeah,
2.
yeah. So in this one, if we multiply this with -2, if we multiply this with -2, there's a negative number. So the sign of inequality will change.
Yeah.
Okay. So if we are dividing and multiplying with a negative number, then the sign of inequality will change. If we are multiplying and dividing with a positive number, then the sign of inequality will remain the same.
Yeah.
This clear?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So we will again revise this. If we are adding and subtracting any number, the sign of inequality will remain the same. If we are dividing and multiplying with a positive number, the sign of inequality will remain the same. If we if we multiply and divide with a negative number, then the sign of inequality will change. Okay, now our next rule is, for example, if we have this in equation 4x plus 2 greater than 6, if we are shifting this 2 to the right side, so 4x is greater than 6 minus 2, 4x is greater than 4. So if we are shifting any number to either of the side, to the left side or right side, then the sign of inequality will remain the same. Okay, Joan?
This is the second one. No?
Yeah. For example, if we are shifting this, for example, we have shifted this to this side. This is plus, this became minus, but the sign of inequality will remain the same. This will not change.
Yes.
Okay. Any doubt, John, in these rules?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Now we will try to do some questions. So, for example, we have a first question. So for example, we need to solve this question. Then what we will do, 4x, we will shift this 2 to the right side. So this will give us 6 minus 2. This will become 4x is greater than 4. Let this be 1. Now what we will do, we will divide this one, divide 1 by 4. Okay, first of all, we need to shift this number. Then we will divide this equation by 4. So this will give us 4x by 4 greater than 4 by 4. Please don't note this question. X is greater than 1. John, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Then John, please just give me a minute. Yep. Please try this question number first and tell me the answer.
So 2x is less than or equal to 4. So should we divide it? By?
John, will you please repeat your answer?
So I got 2x less than 4, less than or equal to 4.
Okay.
So should further simplify?
Yeah. So John, first of all, we will shift this 4 to the right side. Then what we will do, we will divide with 2. So if we are dividing this with a positive number, then the sign of inequality will remain the same. And this will give x is less than equal to 2.
Yeah.
This clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Ajwan, then please try the second one. Minus 3x plus 12.
Sir, x is greater than -12 by minus.
Okay, and what is the final answer? You must have cancelled the terms. So
4 minus.
okay, so this is minus 3x, and we will shift this 12 to the right side. We will get minus 12. Now we will divide this with minus 3. Okay, so minus 3x by minus 3, minus 12 by minus 3, and the sign will change. So this minus 3 cancel, we get x is greater than, this will cancel, x is greater than 4. John, you're getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. John, then please try the third one. 4x minus 12 greater than equal to 0.
X is greater than 3.
X is greater than equal to 3.
Yeah, okay. Yeah,
Okay,
sorry. X is greater.
very good. John, please try this one. 7x plus 9 greater than 30.
X is greater than 3.
X is greater than 3. Very good, John. John, please try this question. Question number third, part first.
Sir, I've got X is less than or equal to -15 by 3 into 1 minus.
Minus 15 by 3. Okay, John. Then let me check. Okay. So what we will do, we will 3x plus 17, and we will open this bracket less than equal to, this is 2 minus 2x. Okay, and shift this minus 2x to the left side. So this will give us 3x plus 2x less than equal to, and 2, and shift this 17, so 2 minus 17. So this is 5x is less than equal to minus 15. Let this be first. And you want divide 1 by 5. So this will give you 5x less than equal to. So John, we are dividing with a positive number, so the sign of inequality will remain the same. Okay. So this
Yes.
will give you x is less than equal to minus 3. Okay, John.
I did not open the bracket.
Just less than equal to -3. John, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay. So after in this class, we will plot the solutions on the number line, as well as we will do that on the intervals. Okay. So John, we will take a break of 5 minutes. I'm waiting for the other students. Then we will continue this class.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Ikhra, how are you?
Good afternoon, sir. I'm
Mm,
fine. How are you, sir?
I'm good. Thank you. Good afternoon. So Ikhra, did you try to do this questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Ikhra, we'll wait for 2-3 minutes, and they will
Okay.
then we will continue the class.
Okay.
Sir, I'll have to leave, right?
No, Joan, you need to wait. Okay. So
Thank
we will continue this class. Okay, Joan.
you. Yes.
Okay. Iram and Rishan, we are waiting for the students. So we'll start the class in some minutes. Okay, so we will start. So Iram, Rishan, can you hear me?
Yes.
Rishan, my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So Ikhra, Iram, and Rishan, did you completed the homework?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
No, sir.
Okay, very good. So yesterday we have done these types of questions. Now today we will discuss about the number line. Whatever be the solution we are finding, we will represent that on the number line. Okay. So how can we do this? This is a number line. In the extreme left, we will write minus infinite. On the extreme right, we will write plus infinite. Okay, minus infinite and plus infinite. In the center, we have a 0. Then we have 1. Then we have 2, 3, and so on. And similarly, on the left side, we have a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. So, for example, if we are getting this, x is greater than equal to 1. For example, we have any inequation and we solve that and we get this x is greater than equal to 1. And we need to represent this solution on the number line. Then how can we do that? So x is greater than equal to 1 means the solution from 1 to infinite is our answer. So from 1 to infinite, we will highlight this part. So this complete is answer. X is greater than equal to 1 means our solution will start from 1 up to infinite, up to plus infinite. Okay, so 1 is the answer, 1.1 is the answer, 1.2 is the answer, 1.3, and so on. So we will represent it like this. Okay, now suppose we have this x is greater than equal to 2. If we need to represent this on the number line, then how can we do this? We will draw a number line. On the left side, we will write minus infinite. On the right side, we will write plus infinite. We will write 0, 1, 2, 3. Similarly, on the left side, we will write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And then we will highlight this part. X is greater than equal to 2. So 2 is our solution. The value is 2 and greater than equal to 2. So this complete is our solution. Okay. So Ikhra, Iram, Juan, and Rishan. This is clear.
So one doubt.
Okay.
From where can we mark, like from 2, after 2, where can we mark?
After 2, it's mean you don't want to include 2.
Yeah, like x is greater than equal to 2.
Very,
So
very
after
good.
where should we mark?
Yeah, very good. There's a good question. So now suppose if we have this x is greater than 2, then what we will do, we will draw a number line. Okay. And then on the left side, we will write minus infinite. On the right side, we will write plus infinite. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. This is a good question that if 2 is not included, x is greater than 2 means the value which are greater than 2. Okay, so what we will do, we will show this by a hollow and we will dark this. So this hollow means that 2 is not included and the values other than 2 are included in this number line. Okay, Rishan?
Yes, okay, sir.
Yeah. So if 2 is included, then we will represent this by a dark circle. If 2 is not included or any other number is not included, we will represent this by a hollow one. This clear? Ikhra, Iram, Juan.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Juan, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, who can tell me? Okay, Ikhra, what is a natural number? What is a natural number?
Counting numbers 1, 2, 1, 2.
Very good. 1, 2, 3. And second is Iram. Iram, what are whole numbers?
Whole numbers which are counting numbers starting from 0, 1, 2.
0, 1, 2. Very good. What are integers? Iram?
Integers are positive and negative numbers.
As well as negative. Very good.
Yes.
So next, what are real numbers? What are real numbers? All the decimal number, all your rational and irrational number are under this real number. Okay, so for example, if we need to represent a solution on a number line and the solution is a natural number. So for example, our solution is like this: x belongs to, if this is a natural number, so that can be anything. For example, 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we need to represent this on the number line, then what we will do, we will draw a number line like this. To the leftmost side, this is negative, this is positive, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, this is 5. And this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Next is 1. Our solution is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we will do, we will dark this 1, 2, 3, 4. Because these numbers, these decimal number 1.2, 1.3 are not included in this. So we will not represent like this. We will not highlight it the complete line. We will just mark 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And because there's a natural number 1, 2, 3, 4. If our solution is like this, x is greater than equal to 2, and in the question they specify that this is a real number, then what happened in real number? Real number include 2, 3, 4, and 2.1, 2.2. All the decimal numbers are also there in the real number. That's why we highlight the complete line. So this is 2, this is 3. Then definitely in the center we have a 2.5. We have a 2.1, we have 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. That's why we have highlighted this. Okay, so in real number, the decimal numbers are also included. That's why we highlight the complete number line. And for a natural number, whole number, or integer, we will just highlight the numbers only. So Ikhra, Iram, Juan, and Rishan, this is clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Iram and Juan. Juan, this is clear?
Yes.
Okay, then what we will do, just give me a minute. Now, in every question, now you need to represent the solution on the number line. Okay, so before this, we will try this question. Please try this question. First one, solve this when x is a real number. Please try this question and tell me the answer. The first part. Try this. Solve this equation when x is a real number and represent the solution on the number line. Okay. Please try this. You can reply me on the chat box, or you can unmute yourself and tell me the answer. Okay, Ikhra, Iram, Joanne, and Rishan completed the first part. X is a real number. Ikhra, Iram, Joanne, and Rishan completed first one.
Yes.
Okay, good. Ikhra, what is the answer first?
Two is greater than x.
2 is greater than x, or we can say x is less than 2. This correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. And now represent this on the number line. Rishan, very good. Iram and Joan, this completed.
Sir, can you show the representation once more?
Yeah, yes, sure. Iram and Joan, did you completed the first part?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Joan, this completed first one.
Yes.
Okay, so now we will represent this on the number line. So first is a real number, so x is less than 2, and we'll draw a number line like this. This is minus infinite, this is plus infinite, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So x is less than 2. So how can we represent this? We will choose a different color. Less than 2, so 2 is not included. We will highlight this with a hollow number. And less than 2, so less than 2 means this direction, and we will write like this. Okay, this clear, Ikhra?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. This is the first part. Please try second one. X is integer number. Can anyone tell me what's the answer? X is an integer. Please. Okay, so second is X is an integer. Okay, X is an integer and we are getting this. So we will solve this inequation. We get this X is less than 2. Now the solution is, the question is X is an integer. So Iqra, less than 2, what are the integers we have?
1, 0, minus 1, minus
Very
2,
good.
minus 3.
Very good. So we can say X is equal to 1. Okay, remove this 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. Okay, so Iqra, Iram, Johan, and Rishan, this is clear. This is for the second one. X is equal to this.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
now
Yes, sir.
okay, now how can we represent this on the number line? We will draw a line like this. Here we will write minus infinite. Here we will write infinite. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. We will choose a different color. Now our solution start from 1, 0. So 1 is our solution, 0 is our solution, minus 1 is our solution, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. Okay. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Now X is a natural number. Okay, you start with the third one. So can you tell me what is the answer? X is a natural number for the same question. Uh, okay, Rishan, what is the natural number? Natural number start from
0.
1.
Sorry, 1. Okay.
1. So what's the solution? Very good. Good, Rishan. Now, Iqra, Iram, and Joan, can you tell me the answer of this? Iqra, Iram, and Joan, can you tell me the answer of this one? X is a natural number.
1,
Very good. Okay, so we have this X is less than 2. So we already know that these can be the sum solution in case of integer. Now X is a natural number. So from this one, what is a natural number? X is equal to 1. Okay, so Iram and Joan, this is clear.
Yes.
Now, can you represent this on a number line? Just draw a number line, write 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, and just highlight only 1. And please confirm me once you have noted this. Iqra, Iram, Joan, and Rishan, this is completed. Third one.
Yes.
yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now start with the next question. Solve 12x less than 50. Okay, 12x less than 50 when x is a real number, x is an integer, x is a natural number. Please do one by one. And first tell me the first answer. X belongs to a real number. You can reply me on the chat box also. All of you, please confirm me once you complete the first part, okay? Iram, very good. This is correct. Now, please plot this on the number line.
So I completed the first part.
Okay, very good. Okay, Rishan, what is the first answer?
Sir, I didn't got it correctly.
Okay, okay, not an issue. Joan, what is the first answer? Joan, can you tell me what is the first answer?
I'm still doing it.
Sorry.
I'm still doing it, sir.
Okay, still you're doing. Okay. Now, first is answer 1. 12x is less than 50. We will divide both sides with 12, so we will get 12x by 12. As we are dividing with a positive number, so there will not be any change in the sign. So this will give you x is less than 25 by 6. Okay, so this is our answer. X is less than 25 by 6. So first part is x is real number. So we will draw the number line. So this is a line. 25 by 6. So this is 0. This is 1. Okay, this is 2. And we need to extend this. Okay, so please extend this line. This 3. This 4. This is 5. Similarly, this is -1, -2, -3. This is minus infinite and this one is plus infinite. Now 25 by 6 means 4 point something. Okay. If we will divide this 25 with 6, so we get a 624, 4.1 like this. So it's mean 4 points will lie over here. Just right over here, this is 25 by 6. 25 by 6, this point. Now you can highlight it. So this is x is less than 25 by 6. So this will be your complete answer. This is your answer. Okay. Ikhra, Iram, Johan, Rishan, this clear?
Yeah, sir. Now
Yes,
it's clear.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Johan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So this is the first one. Okay, now John, can you tell me the second one? Second is x belongs to z. Now what is a z? John, z is an integer. Okay, in sets, we will use this notation. We will study this notation that z represent the integer. So we have solved this x is less than 25 by 6. So John, can you tell me the answer of this?
The second one, sir.
Yeah, second one, x belongs to integer.
Four.
Very good. 4. Next. John, if we will solve this, write this in decimal, then this will give us 6, 4, then point
1,
1,
6.
1,
Six.
like this. Okay, x is less than 4.16 and so on. So x
One,
is an
one,
integer.
six.
Sorry.
No, sir, yeah. 4.16.
Yeah, 4.166. Now the second is x belongs to integer. Okay, x is an integer. So less than 4.16. Can you tell me the integer? One is 4. Next is John, less than 4.16. What are the integers we have?
4.15.
No, 4.15 is not an integer. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, and so on. Okay, John?
Yes.
This clear? So please represent this on the number line, the second one. Please represent this on the number line. Okay, Joan, Ikhra, Iram, and Rishan, this clear? We can represent this solution on the number line like this.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yes.
Okay, Rishan, this clear? Okay, very good. Now, next is a natural number. So, Rishan, can you tell me the third one, x is a natural number? What can the possible answers we have?
3, 2, 1.
Very good. X is equal to, but Rishan, these are all the integers. So we need to select the natural number from this. So 4, 3, 2, 1. So we can say 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, Rishan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So please plot this on the number line, draw a number line, and just mark 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and please confirm me once you plot this, then we will start the next topic. Okay, Iram, I got your message. Okay, Ikhra.
Done, sir.
Okay, Rishan, good. Juan, this is completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, then we will start next topic, which is close and open interval. Our next topic is open interval. Next is open interval. Now, what is mean by open interval? For example, if we have this number line, this is minus infinite, this is plus infinite, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is -1, this is -2. Now, if our solution is this one from 1 to 3, okay, this is our solution, this complete one. So in the form of interval, how can we write this? Okay, sorry, this is, we'll mark this as follow. Okay, so it's mean 1 is not included, 3 is not included. So open interval, this can be represent 1, comma 3, and like this. So what does this represent? This means 1 is not included, 3 is not included, only the numbers between 1 and 3. Okay, so now we need to represent our solution on the number line as well as in the form of this interval. So this means 1 is not included, that's why we have marked this hollow. 3 is not included, that's why hollow. Complete this one, 1 to 3 is included in this. That's why we have written 1 to 3 and this open interval. This sign is for the open interval. Okay, Ikhra, Iram, Juan, and Rishan, this is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Juan, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now suppose if we have this number line and this is minus infinite, this is plus infinite, this is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Let this be -1, -2. And suppose our solution is this 0 and 0, 2, and this complete one. So Rishan, can you tell me in the form of interval, how can we represent this?
0, 2.
0, 2, very good. 0, 2, and this is open interval. Very good. This clear to all?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Joan, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So next we have close interval. Okay, close interval. This we will again do in sets, but right now we need to represent the solutions in the form of interval. So this is a number line. This is minus infinite. This one is plus infinite. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is -1. This is -2. This is -3. Now this one, suppose we have the solution 0 is included and 2 is also included. Okay, 0, 2, and the values between 0 and 2. So we will represent this like this 0, 2. So this represent the value 0 and 2 as well as the value between 0 and 2. We are including this 0 and 2. That's why we are highlighting this by dark circles. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so, now Ikhra, please tell me if we have this number line. This is minus infinite, this is plus infinite, and this is 0. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is -1, this is -2, this is -3. Okay, and we have this number line from 1 to 3. This is our solution. So Ikhra, can you tell me in closed interval, how can we represent this?
1, 3,
Okay.
and then square brackets.
Very good. Okay, 1 and 3 are included. That's why we have written this one. If in this case 0 and 2 are not included, that's why we have written in this form. Then we have an open half interval. Okay, next is open half interval. I will just give an example. Suppose we have this number line. This is minus infinite, this is plus infinite, and this is 0. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is -1, and this is -2. Now, if the solution is like this, 0 is not included, but the 3 is included. 0 is not included, but the 3 is included. So how can we represent this on the in the interval form? This is 1, this is 3. 1 is not included. That's why we have written this bracket. And 3 is included. That's why we have written the square bracket. This is clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Sir,
Okay.
explain it once more, please.
Yeah. So in this one, so our answer is 1, 2, 3. 1 is not included. That's why we have written the hollow one. And 3 is included. 1 is not included, 3 is included. So how can we written? We already know that this type of bracket, this represents that the value is not included. So that's why with 1 we have used this bracket, and as 3 is included, that's why we have written this bracket. Rishan, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So Rishan, can you please tell me the answer of this? This is minus infinite, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Now this is -2 and 0. So Rishan, in the interval form, can you tell me? Rishan, in interval form, can you tell me the answer?
Sir, -2, what we call open, no, close the interval bracket and hollow 0 and
Right.
hollow.
Very, very good. So I guess this is clear to all. Now, whatever the question we will solve, we need to represent that on the number line, as well as we need to write this interval. Okay, in exam also, if they, even if they are not saying, then find the solution, draw the number line, and write the interval. Okay, so we will try now some questions. This we have done. 7th. Okay, so please try this question number 3rd, part 1st, and then represent the solution on the number line, as well as write this in the interval form. Okay, please try the first part. 3x plus 17 less than equal to this one. Please try this. Please confirm your answer if you have completed this. Iram, very good. This is correct. Now, Iram, can you represent the solution in the interval form? Your answer is correct. Okay. Now draw the number line, and Ikhra, very good. This is correct. Now, Ikhra and Iram, please draw the number line, plot the solution on it, and tell me the answer in the interval form. Rishan and Johan, if you have any doubt, then you can tell me, or you can share your answer if you have completed this.
So is it x less than or equal to 3/5?
Not 3 by 5. There is some calculation mistake, Juan. Please again check it. Rishan, very good. Your answer is correct. Good. Okay, less than equal to. Okay, Rishan, now represent this on the number line and write this in the interval form. Okay. And John, please check the calculation. If you will face an issue, then I will do this question. John, did you get the answer? Joan, did you get the answer?
No, sir. I'm checking it.
Okay, not issue. John, please check over here. 3x plus 17 less than equal to 2, 1 minus x. Okay. So 3x plus 17 less than equal to, please open this bracket. Rishan and minus 4 and so on. Rishan, very good. This is correct. So please open this bracket, write this minus 2x and shift this minus 2x to the right side. We will get 3x plus 2x and less than equal to 2 minus 17. So this is 5x less than equal to minus 15. Let this be 1. Now divide 1 by 5. So this will give you 5x by 5 less than equal to minus 15 by 5. And this will give us x is less than equal to minus 3. This is okay, John?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. You got your mistake.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, this is a number line. We will represent this solution on the number line. And so first we will write 0. And this is 1. This is 2. This is minus 1. This is minus 2. And this is minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, so on. And this is minus infinite. Okay. This is plus infinite. Now, x is less than minus 3. So we will less than equal to minus 3. So Rishan, in this case, there is less than equal to, its mean minus 3 is also the solution. It is not only less than, this is less than equal to. So this is dark and we'll highlight this part. So this complete is the answer. Okay, Rishan, this is clear. Okay. Now in interval form, how can we write this? We can write this like this: x belongs to minus infinity. Always remember the infinity should always be in the open interval. Okay. Infinity should always be in the open interval. So we will write like this: minus infinite minus 3. Now, Iqra, can you tell me that minus 3 will be in closed interval or in open interval?
Closed.
Very good. Close. So this is our answer. Minus infinite to minus 3. And we will write like this symbol. So this means belongs to. So x belongs to minus infinite to minus 3. This is open interval and this is a closed interval. So whenever you are writing this interval, so always please write x belongs to this interval. Now tell me, Iqra, Iram, Joan, and Rishan, this is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
Okay, Joan, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then start the second one. Please start second one and tell me the answer. Okay, in the chat box, you can mention this answer as well. Please share your answer once you have completed this. Ikhra, very good. This answer is correct. Very good. Please, Rishan, very good. No, Rishan, sorry. There's a mistake in the sign. 4 is correct, but please check the sign. Okay, very good, Iram. This is correct. Please draw the number line. And please share your answer in the interval form. Okay, Rishan. Not an issue. Then Rishan, please share your answer in the interval form like this. Joan, this is completed.
Yes, sir. I'm making the number line.
Okay, very good. So, Joan, can you tell me the answer?
4 is less than or equal to x.
4 is less than or equal to x. Very good. Or we can say x is greater than or equal to 4.
Yes, sir.
Good. John, one more thing. Can you tell me this answer in the interval form? What can we write x belongs to? Very good, Iram. Ikhra, your answer is correct. So, John, can you tell me in the interval form? Sorry, John, I'm not. Rishan, very good. John, I'm not able to hear you. What is the answer in the infinite form?
For, x, no, 4 comma plus infinity.
Very good. 4 is closed interval or open interval?
Close.
Very good. And infinite?
Or open.
Open. Very good. This is correct. So, good. Any doubt in these types of question? This is clear?
No.
Okay. Okay, then we will start the next type of questions. Okay. John, this completed. You have represent this in the number line?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, very good. Now we will start the next type of questions like this. Okay, these are in fraction form. So nothing is new in this form. Just there is a fraction. You need to take the LCM. Okay, and then you need to solve it. Please try this question. And if you have any doubt, I will help you. Okay, please try this. Iqra, very good. Just there is a mistake in the sign. Answer is correct. There is a sign mistake. This should be positive. Uh, Iqra, good. I'm sorry, I just missed this. X is not greater than, X is less than equal to. Okay, X is less than equal to 63/10. If any of the students have any problem, then please let me know. Okay, Iram, Joan, and Rishan, if you have any issue, then please let me know. Okay, okay, Rishan, you have a doubt, then not an issue, I will solve it. This is our question: 2x minus 3 by 4 plus 9 greater than equal to 3 plus 4x by 3. Okay, this is our question. Now, Rishan, this is your choice. You can take the LCM over here, or you can shift this variable to the left side and then solve it. It's your choice. So what we will do, this is a variable and this is a variable part. So this remain as it is. Now we will shift this part to the left side, minus 4x by 3 greater than equal to, and we have a 3. We will shift this 9 to the right side, 3 minus 9. Okay. So Rishan, this point, this step is clear.
Yes.
Okay. Good, Iqra. Now it is okay. Then Iram and Joan, do you have any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, 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 very good. Then please complete the question and share your answer. Now the LCM is 12. Okay, Rishan, now divide this 12 with 4. You will get 3. Multiply this 3 with 2x minus 3. Rishan, this point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now this 12 Divide this 12 with 3, you get 4. Now multiply 4 with this 4x. So this is 4 into 4x. Now less than equal to this, you will get minus 6. Now open the bracket, you will get 6x minus 9 minus 16x by 12 greater than equal to minus 6. Now solve it. 6x minus 16x is minus 10x minus 9 by 12 greater than equal to minus 6. Okay. Now Rishan, I will do the next part over here. Now what you need to do, this denominator is 1. Now Rishan, always remember, please don't shift directly this 12 to the right side, because there are some chances that you can do the mistake. So let this be 1. So what you can do, multiply this complete 1 with 12. Multiply 1 by 12. Okay, Rishan, normally what we do in the equations, we shift this 12 directly to the right side. But in inequation, I suggest you don't do this. There are certain chances that you can do the mistake. So what you need to do, if you need to remove this 12, then multiply the complete equation with 12. Is okay, Rishan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we will do, when we will multiply this with 12, then this becomes minus 10x minus 9 by, this is 12, greater than equal to minus 6 into 12. Okay, Rishan, tell me one thing. If you are multiplying, Iram, very good. This answer is correct. Very good. Now, Rishan, when we are multiplying with 12, the sign of inequality will change or not?
No.
No, because we are multiplying with a positive number. Okay. Now, this 12 will cancel. So we get minus 10x minus 9 greater than equal to, multiply this. So you get a minus 72. Okay. Now, Rishan, if you directly shift this 12 to the right side, you also get the same inequation. Okay. If you will shift this directly 12 to right side, you will get the same inequation. But I will suggest you don't do this. Please multiply. Because in case there is a negative number, so you will directly shift this without changing the sign, and this will change your answer. So please don't directly shift this, multiply with that number. If this is 12, you need to remove this, multiply with 12. Now, this is minus 10x. Now, this minus 9 can be shifted to the right side. So we'll get minus 72 plus 9. This is minus 10x is greater than equal to, this will give you 63. Okay, Rishan, this is minus 10x. We need x over here. Then what is the next step?
Sir, multiply means divide.
Divide 2 by
minus 10.
minus 10. This clear, Rishan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So this will give you minus 10x. Okay, this is minus 10 by minus 10. Now minus 63 by minus 63 by minus 10. So Rishan, can you tell me the sign of inequality will change or not?
Yes, sir.
It will change because we are dividing this with a negative number. So change this sign. So we get x less than equal to 63 by 10. This is clear, Rishan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Please note down this. Now represent this on the number line and write the interval form. Joan, this completed?
Yes, sir.
You're getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Joan, now represent this on the number line and write in the interval form. Okay, please, you can share your answer on the chat box in the interval form. Rishan, please confirm me once you have represent this on the number line and in the interval form. Then we will start the next question. Iram, you have done a slight mistake. Now x belongs to, okay, Iram, the answer is less than equal to 63 by 10.
Yes.
Okay. Now please correct your answer and tell me the final one. X belongs to minus infinite. Very good. Rishan, there's a mistake. Now x belongs to, x is less than equal to 63 by 10. So x belongs to minus infinite to 63 by 10. We will include this one. Okay, Rishan, infinity is never included. And we write in this form because minus infinite to 63 by 10. So first we will write minus infinite, then the next one. Okay, Rishan? Okay, very good. Iram, this is okay. This clear?
Yes.
Okay. Joan, this
Yes, sir.
clear? Okay, very good. Then just give me a minute. I will draw the number line. Please tell your answer from this number line. So we draw like this. This is minus infinite. This is infinite. This is 0. Okay. Now 63 by 10 means 6.3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This number you can mark this as 63 by 10. Okay. And this is minus 1. Or you can say this is 6.3. This is your wish. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. We'll change the color and our solution will start from here and up to minus infinite. So like this. This complete part is our answer. Okay, this one. This complete one is our answer. So Ikhra, Iram, Joan, and Rishan, this is clear. This number line is clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you are getting a number like, for example, 15. So there's no need to write 1, 2, 3 up to 15. Just write 0, write 1, and last write 15, and just plot the point. Okay. Please start second one, 5x minus 2 by 3 minus 7x by 3 by 5. Please start the second question and share your answer. And if you have any doubt, then please Ikhra, very good. Your answer is correct. Very good. Please write this in the interval form and draw the number line. Ikhra, very good. This is correct. Very good. Did you represent this on the number line?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Iram, Joanne, and Rishan, if you have any problem. Okay. Okay, Rishan, I will help you in this. So, Rishan, we have this 5x minus 2 by 3 minus 7x minus 3 by 5 greater than x by 4. Okay, so Rishan, what we will do, we will take a LCM. There's no need to shift this part also. We will take the LCM and then we will multiply. So, Rishan, can you tell me what is the LCM of this? Rishan, 3 and 5, what is the LCM? Very good, 15. Okay, now divide this 15 with 3, you get 5. Multiply 5 with this. So 5 into 5x minus 2 minus 15, 3. Divide this 15 with 5, you get it 3. Multiply this 3 with 7x minus 3. Okay, is greater than x by 4. Rishan, this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, Rishan, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, denominator is 15. Please open this bracket. This is 25. 25x minus 10 minus 21x plus 9 is greater than x by 4. Now, this is 25x minus 21x. So this is 4x. Minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1 by 15 is greater than x by 4. Rishan, this is clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now in equation, Rishan, what we normally do, we cross multiply. We shift this 15 to this side, we shift this 4 to this side, but I suggest you, please don't do this. Because if any of the number is negative, then there are chances that you shift that number without changing the sign. Okay. Now, Rishan, so in these cases, we need to multiply both side with a number so that 15 and 4 will be cancelled. So what you can do in such a case to find that number, just find the LCM of 15 and 4. That will be the best method. So this is 3, 15 and 4. This is 5, 1 and 4. And this is 4. So this is 4, 5, 23, 60. So the LCM of 15 and 4 is 60. So just multiply both the sides with 60. Let this be 1. Multiply 1 by 60. So we will write over here. This will give you 60. 4x minus 1 by 15 is greater than 60 into, very good, Iram, this is correct, 60 into x by 4. Okay, so this will cancel, this will give you 4. This will cancel, this will give you 15. Now multiply this. 16x minus 4 is greater than 15x. Rishan, this is clear.
Yes.
Rishan, this is clear that why we are multiplying this with a 60.
Yes, sir.
Okay, always take a LCM of this. Please don't directly cross multiply. There are chances that this number will be negative and you will directly multiply this without changing the sign, and you will get the wrong answer. Now, shift this 15x to the left side. 16x minus 15x is greater than 4. So we get this x is greater than 4. Now in the interval form, what we can write, x belongs to, okay, 4 to infinite. And Rishan, can you tell me 4 is an open interval or closed interval?
Sir, open.
Open interval, very good. Infinite open interval. So this is your answer. This is clear, Rishan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Rishan, so please plot this on the number line. Johan, did you completed this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So Rishan, please note down this, plot this on the number line and confirm me, then we will start a new time.
Sir, done.
Done, very good. So just give me a minute. Okay, then we will start a next type. This one. Okay, this is a new type for you. Now, until now, the inequations which we have solved were a single inequation and there is a single variable. Now, in these, there's a type 2 where we have a two inequations. Okay, earlier we have a single inequation. Now we have two inequations. So how we need to solve this inequation? We will solve the first inequation, we will solve the second inequation, and then we will select the common solution from these two. Okay, so whenever we have two inequations, we will solve both the equations separately and then we will find the common solution. So for example, in this case, we will take the first one, greater than equal to 0. Now, okay, this you can do. Please solve separately these two equations and plot the solution of the number line. Okay, please complete this and confirm me the answer. Then I will help you in finding the common answer for the both. Please do this. X is greater than 2. Rishan, very good. This is correct. Please draw the number line, then start the next one. Second is x is less than equal to 4. Rishan, very good. Okay, second is x is less than equal to 4. Very good. Then draw the number line. Ikhra, Iram, and Joan, please find your answer and draw the number line. Then I will help you in selecting the common solution for both. Rishan has already completed this. So Ikhra, Iram, and Joan, please confirm your answer.
Finish, sir.
Finish. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Good. So I will write the answer over here. The first one, first equation, first an equation, this is x is greater than equal to 2. Okay, and second is x is less than equal to 4. So Iram and Ikhra, please confirm me if you got the
Yes, sir.
same.
Yes.
Getting it. Okay, okay, very good. So now we will draw the number line. Okay, so just select this. Next, write minus infinite, write infinite, and then we have the 0, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have -1, we have -2, we have -3, and suppose 4, -4. We will draw another one. This for the second one. Okay. In this one, just write 0. Just write 1, write 2, write 3, write 4. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, and this is minus infinite, and this one is infinite. Okay, so first one is x is greater than equal to 2. So just give me a minute. So the first one, x is greater than equal to, so how we will represent, we will represent this by a dark, and we will draw like this. This is our first solution. Okay, now for the second solution, we will choose another color. For example, we will take this green. Okay, so next is less than equal to 4. So less than equal to 4 means we need to take 4, and less than equal to 4 means this one. This complete one is our answer, this one. Okay, now Joan, can you tell me in these two what is the common solution you are getting? Just be 1, just be 2. Joan, in these two number line, so what is the common solution you are getting? Rishan, this is correct, but there's some other answer also. So yes, yes, John. Yes.
Not getting it, sir.
Not getting. John, this is clear. You're getting the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please check this. Now this is a number line and this is a number line. Now this shade, this green region is the answer of the second one, and this is the answer of the
Yes.
first one.
Yes.
Okay, so I will ask some other student. Ikhra, can you tell me what is the common solution you are getting in this?
2, 3,
Yeah.
and 4.
Very good. Excellent. Okay, so please check this. Compare this. This part is not your answer. Right side is your answer. Now in this case, right side is not your answer. Left side is your answer. So if we will check the common region, okay, we will check the common region. Please check this. So this is not your answer. This is our answer. Similarly, this 2 is your answer, this one, but this is not present over here. So John, what is the region which is both in first and second? So if we check 2 to 4 and this 2 to 4, so this complete part, this one is the
Yes, sir.
solution in both the cases. Okay.
Yeah.
So if we need to write the final answer, then our final answer is x belongs to 2 to 4. Okay, we don't need to write 2, 3, 4. Only 2, 3, 4 is not our final answer. Answer is from 2 to 4. 2, we will include 2. We will also include 4. So for the final answer, we will draw a number line. So we will write like this. And on this one, we will represent our answer. So this is minus infinite, this is infinite, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, let this be minus 1. So we need to shade the final answer. So final answer will be, this will be, just take another one. So final answer will be 2 to 4. So 2 to 4 will be our final answer. Okay, so Rishan, Joan, Ikhra, Iram, this is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then please note down this. This you have already done. Please write the final answer. The common solution, please write the statement. The common solution for both the inequation is, the common solution for both the inequation is x belongs to 2 to 4. And please draw this number line. Okay, the common solution is this, and please draw this number line. Please confirm me once you have completed this, then we will start the next question.
Done, sir.
Very good.
Done.
Okay, good. Rishan and Juan, please confirm me if you have noted this.
Finished, sir.
Okay, very good. So next we will try this question. So again, we have two inequations. So please solve both the inequations separately, draw the number line, then find the common solution for both the inequations. Okay, this is the last question, then our class will be over.
Sir, in the equation, is it 8 or 5?
This is 8. This one is 5. This is 8. This is 8. Okay, Rishan?
Okay.
Ikhra, I got your answer. Greater than 3. Iram, your answer is correct. X is greater than 3 of the first part. Ikhra, please check the calculation. It should be X is greater than 3. Okay. For the first one, answer should be X is greater than 3.
Okay,
Please.
sir.
Rishan, you're doing some mistake. X should be greater than 3. Okay. So please check. You might have missed any point. First one is X is greater than 3. Okay. Okay, Rishan. Then it's okay. Very good. Then please represent this on the number line and then start the second one. Now, Joanne, did you complete the first one? Okay. Joanne, what is the answer you are getting?
On the number line, right?
Yeah, on the number line. But what's the first answer?
X is greater than 3.
Very good. Rishan, very good. Second is also correct. Very good, Rishan. Now, please, Rishan, plot both the number lines and tell me the final common solution. Okay. Rishan, second should be X is greater than 0. Will you please check the answer? Second also, this should be X is greater than 0. Okay, Rishan, not an issue. Then please draw the number line and now tell me the final solution. Um, no, Rishan, there's some mistake. Okay, I will check your answer. So everyone got the first answer. Ikhra, can you tell me what's the first answer?
Uh, X is greater than 3.
X is greater than 3. Very good. We can say X belongs to 3 to infinite. Very good. Now, Ikhra, what is the second one?
Sir, I was doing it.
Okay. Joan, Iram, if you have completed the second one, then please share your answer. And Rishan, your first and second answer are correct. Please check this common solution. Okay, you are doing some mistake in finding the common solution.
Sir, for the second one, is it X is greater than 9?
I'm sorry, Joan, X is greater than 0.
0.
Yeah, greater than 0.
Oh.
Please check your calculation, and if you have an issue, I can solve this.
So can you solve this?
Yes, second one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will. Second is we will take the LCM. Okay, so we have this 2x minus 1 by 12 minus x minus 1 by 3 less than 3x plus 1 by 4. So take the LCM. LCM is 12. So this remain as it is, 2x minus 1. This remain 4x minus 1 less than 3x plus 1 by 4. Now open the bracket, 2x minus 1 minus 4x plus 4 by 12 less than, this is 3x plus 1 by 4. Okay. Now solve this. 2x minus 4x is minus 2x plus 3 by 12 less than 3x plus 1 by 4. We can multiply both the side with 12. Okay, I'm doing this directly. We will multiply with 12. So minus 2x plus 3 by 12. And this is less than 12 into 3x plus 1 by 4. So this 12 will cancel, this cancel, we get a 3. And this will become minus 2x plus 3. And this is less than 9x plus 3. Shift this 9x to the left side. And you will get minus 2x minus 9x. And this is less than 3 minus 3. So we will get minus 11x less than 0. Now let this be 1. Divide 1 by, divide, because we don't need minus 11 over here. So divide 1 by minus 11. So this will give us minus 11x by minus 11. Now the sign of inequality will change because we are dividing this with a negative number. So this will change and this will get x is greater than 0. Okay. So this
Yes,
is
sir,
our
got
second answer. Okay. Joan, did you find your mistake?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, please plot both these solutions on the number line and share the common solution. So anyone can tell me the common solution. Rishan, did you find the common solution? Three, five. No, Rishan, you are missing something. Okay. Your approach is good, but there are more solution other than 3 and 5. So please again analyze both the solutions and check. Okay, I will do. So our first answer is x is greater than 3 and second is x is greater than 0. Okay. So I will solve it. First, we are getting this one. And second, our answer is x is greater than 0. So we will draw the first line. Then we'll draw the second one. Okay, so this is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is minus 1. This is minus 2. Minus 3. This is minus infinite. This is plus infinite. This is minus infinite. This is plus infinite. So this is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Minus 1. Minus 2. Minus 3 and so on. So first, if we will represent our first solution. So first is x is greater than 3. So x is greater than 3 means this one. This will be our first solution. Okay. Now next is x is greater than 0. So we will take this. X is greater than 0. This is for the second one. this is our second answer. Okay. Now, Joan, can you tell me what is the common solution in this?
3 and 4.
Not only 3 and 4. Okay, this complete
Infinity.
up to
Infinite.
infinite. Very good, very good. Okay, so what is our final answer? X belongs to, okay, I just made a mistake. This is only greater than and less than. Okay, so we can't take this 3. And similarly, we can't take this 0. So please mark this follow. I just made a mistake. So please mark this as follow. Now, so if we check the common solution, then 3 will not came because this is not common in this. So the common solution will be 3 to infinite. Okay, Rishan, this clear?
Not this. I didn't.
Not clear. Okay, Rishan, in the first one, we have this x is greater than 3, and the second one we have x is greater than 0. So greater than 3 means 3 we will not include. So our answer will be 3 to infinite, but we will not include 3. And the second one we have x is greater than 0, so we will not include 0. The answer will be other than 0, yani all this except this 0. Okay, Ishan. So if we will check the common solution, then please check this. This part is not in this one, so we will not take this. We will start from here, but we can't take 3 because 3 is not in the first one. So our answer will be from 3 up to this. Okay, so you told me the answer 3, 4, 5. This is correct, but there are some more points which needs to be included. So we will take 3 up to infinite, and we will not include this, the 3. Okay, Rishan, this is clear, or you have any doubt in this?
Yes, no doubt.
No doubt.
Yes.
Okay, okay, very good. So Joan, Iram, and Ikhra, this is clear.
Yes.
Okay, okay, very good. So next topic we will continue in the next class. Okay, just give me a minute. I will give you the homework. So you can represent the common solution also on the number line. So this part is homework. Please represent the common solution on the number line. Okay, and give me a minute. So homework. Exercise 6.1. Okay, this is of NCERT. NCERT exercise 6.1. Question number 1 to 20. Okay, question number 1 to 20. After this, miscellaneous. After this, miscellaneous. In miscellaneous, you need to do question number 7. You need to do 8, 9, and 10. Okay. After this, you need to do the assignments. Okay, Nishkar sir will share the assignments with you. And just give me a minute. Okay, first assignment 1. In assignment 1, you need to do the, just give me a minute. Question number 1 to, question number 1 to 10. Then question number 13. Okay, 1 to 10, then question number 13. And just give me a minute. Okay, that's it. So you need to do the NCERT exercise 6.1. Again, NCERT miscellaneous, question number 7, 8, 9, 10, and then assignment 1. question number 1 to 10 and 13. Okay,
Sir,
and in the next
all we have to do, or 7, 8, 9, 10 only in
in
NCERT?
miscellaneous, you need to do only 7, 8, 9, 10.
Miscellaneous means didn't got you.
Miscellaneous, you have an NCERT?
Yeah.
Okay, so after just I will telling you the page number. So can you open your NCERT and check the page number 132? Will you please open it? If anyone has a doubt in the homework, then they can open the NCERT and check page number 132.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so there's a miscellaneous. So in miscellaneous, you need to do right now question number 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, Rishan? Okay, other than this, Nirka sir will share the assignments with you. So in assignment 1, you need to do question number 1 to 10 and 13. There might be some questions which we have already done in the class, and it's your choice if you want to repeat that. Otherwise, please do this complete. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, then thank you so much. We will continue this in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.